How to fix Bell Slim remote not working with receiver. So basically a reset and pair guide. So in general, if you want to go ahead and reset, you're just going to go ahead and navigate yourself to your remote, of course, and hold the option button 3 seconds for 3 seconds. So if you hold it for 3 seconds and you see the green light of your remote flash or blink 2 times, then it's pretty much on sync mode now. So if it doesn't do that, your remote is probably either on low battery or broken. But let's just say it's on low battery. Just go ahead and get yourself new batteries for your remote. But other than that, you can go ahead and press on the 0, 0, and then 1 on your remote, and then the green light should also light up 2 times. So it's gonna blink twice. Now, if you see a green light, a solid green light, you're gonna have to type in the code again. This time, somewhat a bit faster. So press 0, 0, 1, and then if you have two blinks of green light, which we just mentioned, you can go ahead and start with the syncing. So you're gonna have to hold the power button to your TV and just wait for it to sync. So if you hold your power button and you see that the green light is blinking, it's basically just scrolling through the programs to see which works for your TV. And if your TV does turn on or turn off, then you can go ahead and let go of the power button immediately. Then just go ahead and press on select over here, which is this one, press on OK or select. And if you successfully have done that, you can go ahead and try the remote to see if it works for your TV. You can try putting on the numbers or the volume, and if not, you're gonna have to try the process again. But that's pretty much how you do a reset and sync for your Bell remote over here. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.